It's breaking news at 11 o'clock. A wild motorcycle pursuit across the street.
We'll see if this guy gets back on the freeway now. Oh, and he's doing a wheelie there.
Riding their twos is a way of life.
All of us, we all take great pride in riding our motorcycles.
But instead of keeping the joy of the open road to themselves, the group is now working to share it with the community.
We need to be aware that they are on the road just as much as anybody else.
She also says it's important to give motorcyclists space, but says the responsibility to keep motorcycle riders safe doesn't just fall on other drivers.
My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands they ain't so greasy. Feel me?
All right, buddy.
I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
When you ride a motorcycle, you have to be a defensive rider. You have to be a defensive driver. You don't have time to talk on the phone, you don't have time to eat, you don't have time to do a lot of things. Most people do every single day, which is more dangerous than riding a motorcycle. You have to really be focused on seeing the traffic ahead. He doesn't know about this. He's never ridden a motorcycle. He never understands what it takes to be a winner.
When do you become a collector? When you have more than two or more than one? Or more than three? Is it more than three? Then I'm barely a collector.
I'm on vacation every single day.
Loses a shoe.
Every single day. Every single day.
Oh, and he falls over there, loses a
I can't
shoe.
hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy. My lack of the lazy has let me do shit
That is insane. What are your thoughts? We got our boys over here.
Now, let me start by asking you a question in terms of why do people actually ride motorcycles when they have other options as well? It's the feeling of freedom, it's the feeling of happiness, it's the wind in your hair, it's the loads of people will tell you I can think clearly when I'm on a motorcycle. Now there's a recent study, and I've been saying this for donkey's years and nobody ever believed me. But there's a recent study in Cycle World magazine from the US which actually says if you ride, it de-stresses you and it focuses your mind. Now you know why I ride.